Leatromachd agus breith. Pregnancy and birth. Hai traum, she's pregnant. Hadúl ichge rilenev, she's expecting. Cuine hadúl agad rilenev, when are you due? Savaged, in March. Sadulting, in September. Shigilya vias it'll be a boy. Shinian vias it'll be a girl. Hajiisht lenev it's twins. Vrish ahushkachen, her waters broke. Chai and Suhad chlunyag, she went into labor. Rukig gilya beki, she had a wee boy. Rukig nian veki, she had a wee girl. Va avein lúnyag uavasach taichgal. The midwife was very supportive.